Hey everyone, Jessica Coulter here, and today we're going to be talking about quarter one and the grades that you or your child might have at the end of quarter one. So if you or your child is in school right now and you guys have officially gotten those quarter one grades, or quarter one is going to end for you pretty soon, let me know this message is relevant to you. Just click that heart or thumbs up button for me if you would. And if you've gotten your quarter one grades, I would love to know what you think of them. Let me know in the comments below with a GIF or an emoji. Hopefully I see some smiley faces, some hearts, maybe some, jumping up and down GIFs, something positive. If not, then I'm glad you're here and look forward to helping you out. So before we go into kind of what those effects are, just want to properly introduce myself in case you don't know who I am. Again, my name is Jessica Coulter, and I am the CEO and founder of Ace Cookie Tutoring. I work with students in the 3rd grade and beyond, all the way up through adults in grad school. And I have 3 specialties: the ACT, proofreading, and middle school math. I do help with a wide variety of subjects, but those are my specialties. So let's jump into it here and find out what those effects are of quarter one grades. So effect number 1 is unfortunately, I assume probably common right now as we're going from hybrid learning, remote learning, and then a lot of schools are finally transitioning into in-person learning. So there has been a long time since school was in person for most students. So unfortunately, there are probably a lot of kids not doing their absolute best right now. There are probably some academics that are slipping, and unfortunately, that means that probably one of the effects is not a great grade. So, what do you do? Well, I've got to tell you that if you have one of those children, or you yourself, if I'm talking to an adult or a high school student, you might need to do a 180. You might need to change everything that you've done up to this point. Make semester 1 end well. Just because quarter one's not going well doesn't mean semester 1 isn't going to go well. So, what do I mean by 180? Well, if you aren't doing your homework, a 180 would be do your homework. If you aren't studying for tests, then study for those tests. So everything that you can do kind of the opposite of, if that's what you need to do better, then that is suggestion number 1. So if you didn't do so well on quarter one report cards and parent-teacher conferences, didn't leave you feeling all warm and fuzzy, mom and dad, then maybe a 180 is in store. So if you guys are looking for some more help, if you need some extra one-on-one, maybe you're just not understanding the material, or you feel like some review is in order, then I highly recommend you check out my website. It's acecookietoutoring.com/tutorial, and there you'll find replays of all of my Facebook Live videos in case you've missed some of those, as well as some pre-recorded videos I've done about different math, English, history, science, pretty much everything subjects. So definitely check out my tutorials page on my website so you can get all of that extra help you need to make semester 1 end well. So let's talk about effect number 2. So we've kind of hinted at this, but again, remember, if you need to do 180, then do that. And realize though, just because quarter 1 didn't go well, that doesn't mean you should give up or your child should give up. Don't let that happen. It is so much easier to repair a quarter grade than a semester grade, because unfortunately, once a semester grade is locked in, there's no changing it. So, if your child's in high school or college, or you yourself, are in college, then once you fail a class semester 1, a lot of times that's a part 1 class. So you have to retake that entire class if you fail it. Or maybe you get a C or a D and you needed or wanted a better grade to go on to the next class to keep a scholarship, whatever the case might be. So do not give up if quarter 1 did not go well. Just realize, okay, yeah, I'm going to have to work extra hard the rest of the semester. I've got some serious makeup to do, but it is possible to repair it. Maybe you need some help from me, or maybe you just need, some extra kind of oomph in your step. So guys, just want to check in If we're enjoying the video, awesome. Let me know by tapping that like or heart button for me. If you're on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're on LinkedIn, make sure we are connected. So, here we go. There is one more effect I want to talk about. So, we have mentioned what to do if your quarter one grades aren't the best. Well, what do you do if you're doing well? Now, what happens if you got those grades that you're proud of, that you're happy about? Well, then the effect is pretty simple. It is seriously just keep up the good work. You know, if you've got an A in English because you are reading when you're supposed to be reading, you're writing your papers when you're supposed to be, then keep doing that. If you have some good grades, but some other grades could be better, well, then think about what you're doing to make those good grades good and apply those same principles to other classes, to other assignments. And always know that if you need some more help, I am here. And like I said, I would love to have you check out my tutorial page on my website. It's acecookie-tutoring.com/tutorial. And there you will find Facebook Live replays as well as pre-recorded videos I've made on a variety of subjects. So if you need some help, need some more guidance on a bunch of general education topics, check out my website so you can get the help you need so you can finish semester 1 strong and be ready for semester 2 so that way you don't have to make up any classes. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.